Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel, The Forex Trends. And I hope you all are doing well. I'm also good. So, today in this video, I am going to analyze gold, that is XAU USD. And today is the last day of week. So, I'll try to explain you how to find potential trade setup for today for intraday and scalping purpose. So, all right. Let's have a look the fundamental before start to analyze on chart. Okay, on today. Okay, today there is no any big news of USA, but there is retail sales of GBP and RBI Governor Bullock speak has scheduled today. So we may see some volatility in GBP USD and AUD USD, and other pairs may remain very slow. If we check the yesterday, okay, yesterday you have seen a positive data of retail sales, as I already expected for positive data, and I already discussed the reason why it became positive data on my previous video. And as per my expectation, the data of retail sale has came positive, and we see some selling on gold again. So that's all in the fundamental. Today there is no news of fundamental. We may see a slow market today. Let's look the chart first. Okay, what did market do yesterday? As per my analysis, I told you that this was the support and it become resistance after breakout of these momentum candles. So I told you guys, if market able to reach this portion, we may initiate a sell after getting evidence. But market did not give us any evidence at this level. And personally, I have not initiated any sell here. After that, the news releasing time has came, and after release of news, I watched carefully. Look, after release of news, what market did? Market break this support become resistance level and test this day resistance zone and come back down from here. Why it down from here? Because of this fair value gap. There is a fair value gap. For this fair value gap, market mitigate this fair value gap and coming down. Okay, but after release of news, when market approach this fair value gap and start to selling from this area, I have shifted my time frame to 5-minute frame and wait waited for break out this support become resistance level. This level. Sorry, where is 5-minute? Okay. I have shifted my time frame to 5-minute frame right after news release of news. And look, market, what did the market creating a momentum candles and break the support become resistance level. That means this was the confirmed breakout of this level. Right after break this level, market has test this zone. When market break and test this area, I have initiated a sell from here. As simple as that. After opening this sell, I have put my SL here, and after it moving down, I have trailed my SL to this zone, and my target was this 1 hour support level. I have booked my profit here. It almost gave me 150 to 160 pips. Okay. And after that, I've shifted to 1 hour frame for another trade setup. As I discussed on my previous video, this, if you look the market structure here, the 1 hour market structure was clearly bullish as it creating higher high and higher lows as per my drawing. And I already discussed many times that whenever market creating this kind of higher high, higher lows formation, we have 2 point of interest to join the trade. And this is our first point. This was our first point to first point of interest to join this trade. And this is our second point of interest to join the current bullish trend. Okay. So the last time price tried to approach this POI, but unable to mitigate this POI. Okay. But this time market has approached to this POI and reject from here. Whenever market approaching this POI, I have again shift my time frame to 5 minute frame. Look on 5 minute frame, when it approaches this level with momentum candles, I thought market may break this support. That's why I have not initiated any buy. But after that, it reject from this and create a bullish sign. That after that, I have waited for this zone once again. If price approach to this level, I will initiate a buy from here. Right after market has approached this area again, and I initiate a buy from here also. Still, this trade is running. Almost it gives 200 pips. Let me show you. Almost 230 pips has given from this trade setup. So yesterday was very good day for me. I hope you all who listening and following us, they can also do the same thing, because I already discussed everything and I will teach you to how to take these trade setups in my every videos. So that was the yesterday's trade setup. So sorry, my dear friends, believe in your potential. Every successful trader started where you are today. They faced the same challenges, doubts, and fears. But what set them apart was their belief in their potential. You have that same potential within you. Believe that you can master the world of Forex and turn opportunities into your profit. So I am here. I am not here for giving you the trade setups. Actually, my effort is to give you the actual learning of Forex market. Once you learn how to take trades, how to wait, and whenever your mindset has developed, you will become a good, profitable trader in this market. So keep following us. Definitely, someday you will become a successful trader. So for today, we know today the possibility of movement of market is very slow. So there is only scalping trade setups, and it will be a small profit because the low volume market. Firstly, this is our current support area in 5-minute frame. If I shift to 15-minute frame, because today market is slow, that's why I'm analyzing on smaller time frame. If I shifted in 5-minute frame, 15-minute frame, you can see this is our current support, and market momentum is bullish clearly. So after breakout of this level, if price able to break out this level with momentum candles and retest this zone in smaller time frame, you may initiate a sell from here up to this level. Until market clearly break out this level with momentum candles, do not sell on gold, because market momentum is clearly bullish. Okay. So if we get the price at this zone 2450 to 52, 2450 to 52, we may initiate a buy on gold for little profit, 60 to 80 pips. 60 to 80 pips. Okay. So this is our first trade setups for today. And we may get the price at this zone very soon on London session. Okay. Our second trade setup for sell purpose is there. The perfect sell per trade for today is there. If we get the price at this zone, we may initiate a sell for 60 to 80 or max to max 100 pips. Okay. This is our today's trade setup. Mind one thing, on 1 hour frame, the price has mitigated the fair value gap here, but the order block is still unmitigated. Okay. So I mark this order block. We may see a selling from this order block once again if price able to approach this zone. Okay. In 1 hour frame, if price able to approach this zone, this is 2472 to 2476 zone. If price able to approach this zone, we may see a good selling from here once again, because there is a order block and still it is unmitigated. So as per my analysis, that's all the today's trade setups, and try to learn from here. Do not trade on your live accounts without learning. So that's all. All right. That wraps up today's analysis of gold. If you really feel it is informative and helpful for your trading, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. By subscribing, you will stay updated with our latest content, tips, and strategies. That's really help you to trade smarter and more profitably. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned to our channel for more videos like this. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, and best wishes for weekend. If you do not get any trade setup today, leave the market and enjoy your weekend with your friends, families, and others. So best wishes, and so bye bye guys.